Doyle's pointing. Yeah, that's right where the tracks went. Oh.
Subscribe! Subscribe! What do you want from me?
Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I just want you to subscribe to the Reels and Ridges YouTube channel. The only thing scary would be missing out on all their new content.
Subscribe!
There's a lot of snow today. 6 inches of snow at the bottom, and we just kept working our way up into the mountains because one side of the hill had kind of burned off, so we just kind of kept walking up the ridge. Now we're at the very, very top. The snow is knee deep everywhere, and we're just trying to get out of here now and get to a place where we can get down into some lower country where we can hopefully get into some birds. Yeah, get it, Tori. Good girl. Oh, there's the other one. Crap. We're finally get to a place where the snow isn't so bad, and I hear Reed shoot. So I get down, turn on my camera, and all of a sudden, I just see a chukar come hobbling over the hill, and Tori kind of looks at me like, I'm on it. I got this. Oh, get it, Tori. 2 seconds after that, another bird comes over the hill. Tori sees it. It's gotta be right there, Doyle. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. So luckily then Reed comes over the hill and he's on it. And I just came down around this rock face, and sure enough there was one bird left down there. It got up and I got it. Definitely feels good to be into the birds finally.
Hopefully you guys can see that golden eagle. I can't see what the footage is taking.
Yeah, golden eagle. Right here, guys, is what Reed and I call the Chukar Highway. Anytime we see a big group of birds kind of all together, just kind of running the same track. We never saw these birds, but it's kind of a cool sight to come across because you know the birds are around. Doyle's pointing. Doyle's pointing. Yeah, that's right where the tracks went. Oh. Go get it. I got 2. I got 1. Wait, did we shoot the same one? We're gonna have to go to the tape. I shot that thing. Maybe we both shot it again, but... Good boy. Good girl, Tori, bring it here. We're gonna have to watch our videos right now. Good girl, Tori. Good girl. All right. Well, guys, for the second time this year, I think Reed and I might have shot the same bird. If you didn't see that episode, I'll put a link up at the top. You can check out that episode where we had a discrepancy of who shot it. I think we got another one today.
Nothing more disheartening than seeing yourself crush a chukar and then looking over and your buddy goes, I shot that one. I'm glad at least we got the bird, but go to the tape and see who got it. I think we both shot it, so it's gonna go to the person who has low birds for the day, which we are tied. So then it goes to the person with low birds for the year, which in this case right now is me.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, show that like button, who's boss, and leave us a comment. If you're interested in any of the gear that we used in today's video, check out the links in the description. Thanks again for watching.